Welcome back, tech enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered what gadgets could make your life easier during hot summer runs or keep your belongings safe from pickpockets while traveling? Well, today, we've got a lineup of innovative products that'll surely pique your interest. From wearable air conditioners to smart locks and augmented reality glasses, we've got it all covered. So let's dive in and explore these cutting-edge solutions. Wearable air conditioner. First up, imagine staying cool during your summer runs with an air conditioner you can wear on your waist. This revolutionary device features 4 or 5 fans, providing a refreshing airflow of 585 liters per minute. And the best part? It's as quiet as a regular conversation, ensuring you stay comfortable without distractions. It's perfect for those long outdoor workouts with a battery life of 3.5 hours. The price? Around $400. Wallet tracker. Next, have you ever misplaced your wallet and wished there was a way to track it down instantly? Introducing the wallet tracker, a compact device that fits seamlessly into your wallet. It has a battery life of 2.5 years and is equipped with a speaker, antenna, and NFC module, making it easy to locate via your smartphone. And at just $33, it's a steal. Augmented reality glasses. Now let's talk about a game changer in augmented reality. These AR glasses are tailored for photographers, streamers, and photo enthusiasts. They boast 8 and 50 megapixel cameras, a Snapdragon processor, and 3 hours of battery life. Priced at $450, they offer a seamless blend of innovation and practicality. Car maintenance kit. For all car owners out there, here's a kit that'll simplify your daily maintenance routine. This kit promises to revolutionize your car care regimen by featuring 6 handy tools, including a car washer, vacuum cleaner, and flashlight. With additional tools on the horizon, it's a steal at just $300. Booklight. Do you love reading both paper and electronic books? Then, this versatile gadget is a must-have. Adjustable brightness and color temperature ensure optimal reading conditions without disturbing others. Priced at $159, it's a portable companion for bookworms everywhere. Air purifier. This portable air purifier offers fresh air in regions plagued by smog and pollution. Compact and lightweight, it sterilizes the air within a 30-centimeter radius, making it ideal for use in public spaces. At $184, it's a small price to pay for clean air. Zipper locks. Are you concerned about pickpockets or curious children tampering with your belongings? These innovative locks offer a simple yet effective solution. Attach them to your bags or suitcases and rest easy knowing your valuables are secure. And at just $18 for a set of 2, it's a no-brainer. Fidget toys. Fidget toys faced a setback due to innovation in 2017, when multiple incidents of spinners with built-in speakers catching fire were reported. That's why traditional models are considered safer and more practical. Take this gadget for example. Crafted from aluminum alloy, weighing only 57 grams and doubling as a bottle opener. Available on various online platforms, it's oddly categorized under camping tools and priced at $102. Smart door lock. Opening and closing your apartment door has become a high-tech adventure, with options like a numeric keypad, fingerprint scanner, smartphone app, voice command recognition, or regular keys. Consider the Pin Genie keypad with its unique design and patented features. Priced at $240, it's easy to install and offers advanced security features like storing up to 99 fingerprints and electronic key distribution. Versatile flashlight. The creators of this flashlight have indeed thought of everything. 100 days of battery life, a lightweight design, 6 different light modes, and a 180-degree rotation for the LED block. Equipped with a mini screen for precise battery level information and magnetic charging contacts, it's priced at $82 and doubles as a power bank for your other gadgets. Space-saving travel pouches. Packing things into your suitcase just got easier with these innovative pouches that save space. The first zippered version available, they shrink from 30 liters to just 10 liters with a single pump charge. Made using recycled materials, they are waterproof and odor-proof. 2 pouches cost $39, but the kit does not include the pump. Unique timepiece. Here's an awe-inspiring timepiece from the Swiss team at Whizord. With a rotating construction and satellite discs at its center, this watch boasts exceptional craftsmanship, including sapphire crystal and twin micro-turbines. Priced at $100,000, it's a limited edition piece with only 55 available, chosen by Robert Downey Jr. for the movie Spider-Man: Homecoming. Foldable vehicle. This curious folding vehicle blurs the line between a bicycle and a scooter. With 450 watts of power, a range of 32 kilometers, speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, and a maximum load capacity of 120 kilograms, it's versatile and suitable for teenagers and adults. Starting at $690, it's an affordable and convenient transportation option for city dwellers. UASM Origin 800. Meet the UASM Origin 800, a robust kickstart for this compilation. It's the world's first intelligent energy system designed modularly. The setup includes a base where you can place up to 5 cylindrical blocks, each serving as a standalone power bank with an 86.4 W capacity. Equipped with USB and USB-C ports, 220-volt sockets, and additional power outlets, the basic version of this power system is priced at $389. Clip Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit. The creators of Clip have reason to be proud, as their invention made it to Time magazine's list of the 100 best inventions of 2020. A clip can turn a regular bicycle into an electric one. It weighs the same as a laptop and is easy to install in just 10 seconds. Depending on the model, you can cover 10 or 25 kilometers on a single charge, with a maximum speed of 24 kilometers per hour. The system's price starts at $550. CyberPro Pen Tester's Gadget. Have you ever heard of pen testers? Meet CyberPro, a handy gadget disguised as a regular game console. Inside are Wi-Fi, RFID, NFC, and Bluetooth modules, along with GPIO and transceivers. When plugged into a USB port, CyberPro can perform a bad USB attack. Priced at $109, it's a versatile tool for security experts. UVibe Smart Cooking Gadget. The creators of UVibe believe they've developed a cutting-edge product that will revolutionize your cooking experience. This gadget features a recognition system that identifies the plate through its RFID tag, telling you precisely how to cook its contents. Offering a choice of 100 dishes for $899, UVibe effortlessly prepares a range of dishes, including vegan and gluten-free options. Loomis AR Glasses. Loomis secured over $50 million in investments, and the funds were evidently well used. Luma AR glasses provide an expanded viewing angle of up to 50 degrees and clear visibility, even in daylight. Boasting displays with a resolution of 248 x 2048 pixels, Loomis Maximus excels at allowing in natural light, making the wearer's eyes more visible. Price details are not provided. Foldable Dart Blaster. This funny little gadget disguised as a smartphone is a foldable dart blaster that shoots at a distance of 9 meters. The soft darts are made of EVA, ensuring a fun time without the worry of causing harm to your opponents or furniture. It's priced at $30 and a fun addition to any game night. Camp Kitchen Suitcase. This suitcase costs $890 because it turns into a camping kitchen. Inside, you'll find 6 pots, a stove, a 5L water tank, and a mini table, among other items. Fully equipped, the suitcase weighs about 11 kilograms, making it a convenient solution for outdoor cooking adventures. AP80 Pro X Audio Player. Meet the modern face of advanced audio players, the AP80 Pro X. With a 2.45-inch touchscreen and 2 of the industry's top-performing DAC chips, it supports MQA, a patented sound transmission technology. Priced at $169, it's a premium audio player for audiophiles. Aroma Shower Set. Transition seamlessly from enjoying good music to indulging in an aroma shower with this set, which includes a shower head and capsules. Priced at $57, the set includes a shower head, a filter, and 4 capsules, providing a spa-like experience at home. Hill Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Is it possible to brew coffee quickly, tastefully, and without hot water? The folks at Hill believe so. Their coffee maker employs cold brew technology, using cold water instead of hot. Priced at $56, it's a convenient and efficient way to enjoy your favorite beverage. Portable Fan. Cold brew is particularly refreshing in the summer, and so is this fan. Clip it to your belt or neck strap and enjoy a cool breeze for 16 hours. Priced at $37, this portable fan blows air at 7.5 meters per second, 32% faster than similar products. Tubing Multi-Tool. At 220 grams, tubing is compact, yet packs impressive features alongside the usual screwdriver, flashlight, and cutter. It includes a laser rangefinder, a 6,000 mAh battery with a USB-C port, a bubble level, and even a lighter. Priced at $129, it's a versatile tool for various tasks. Lurpy R1 Electric Scooter. The creators of Lurpy R1 aim to pack multiple functions into one body, resulting in the world's first 3-in-1 electric scooter. Cruising up to 45 kilometers on a single charge and folding easily for carrying, the scooter is priced at $490, with an additional $158 for the solar panel. POC Combo Kit. The POC Combo Kit is a handy companion for people who always work at their laptops during business trips or in coffee shops. Priced at $82, the set includes a stand, a mouse, and a keyboard neatly packed in an envelope and is compatible with Windows, iOS, and Android. Gameboard One Tablet. Gameboard One is crafted for board game enthusiasts. It transforms into a complete game or playing field where you can manipulate pieces and other elements. Priced at $349, it provides the perfect platform for various games, supporting games on Unity and Unreal engines. Soundberg Turntable. Vinyl enthusiasts have a reason to celebrate with the Soundberg Turntable. Priced at $244, it plays 33, 45, and 78 RPM records and provides around 12 hours of music playback in wireless mode. With dynamic balance and Bluetooth support, it's a must-have for audiophiles. Break X1 Party Speaker with Tablet. The creators of Break X1 successfully combined a speaker with a tablet, making it the go-to gadget for fantastic parties. Priced at $670, it offers 100 watts of power and preloaded apps like YouTube and Spotify, ensuring endless entertainment. card shuffler and dealer. This set of 2 gadgets costs $130. The first one handles card shuffling, while the second one deals cards in just 3 seconds. It is perfect for poker battles and ensures fair and efficient dealing, allowing for a week of fun. Cyberpunk Mask by MyCostTime. This cyberpunk mask from MyCostTime is so well crafted that you wouldn't even guess it's handmade. Priced at $140, it comes with a flexible display and LEDs, an adjustable fit for comfort, and an app for both iOS and Android. Brush, shortcut to a hyper-clean home. To wrap up today's selection, we have a brush with the bold slogan, "Your shortcut to a hyper-clean home." Priced at $59, this brush offers about 2 hours of continuous cleaning on a full charge, providing an efficient solution for household cleaning tasks. Thank you for exploring some of today's most innovative gadgets and technologies with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Whizord for more content like this, and let us know in the comments which gadget caught your eye the most. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of innovation.